am Tiffany Hammer. I am a Norwex independent sales consultant. Today I'm going to talk about Norwex's cleaning paste. It's an all-natural cleaner. The active ingredients is marble flour, natural soap, and traces of coconut oil. I can pronounce those words and I know what they are, and it makes me feel so good using it in my home to clean, knowing I'm not using any harsh chemicals, but it's still going to get the job done and still going to get rid of those tough stains. They call this elbow grease in a jar because if your EnviroCloth can't get it all out, go to your cleaning paste. I use this on my stovetop, I use it on my white baseboards, I use it in my shower to get those hard water stains out, I use it on tile, grout, and I even use it on my carpet. It is an awesome stain remover on my carpet. So I will share a little story. When we moved into our farmhouse about 2 years ago, we had this huge brown nasty stain right in front of our stairs. And of course, that's not a good place to put an area rug. I tried everything. I tried Windex, I tried Resolve, I tried baking soda and vinegar, and nothing budged that stain. So when I signed up as a consultant and I got my free cleaning paste, that was the first place I went. Took my EnviroCloth, took my cleaning paste, and that stain came right out. I didn't even have to scrub that hard. So that is why I no longer have those harsh chemicals, because they don't even work. So today I'm going to demonstrate how to take permanent marker off hardwood floor. So here's permanent marker, as you can see. Here's my hardwood floor. We actually use this in our home. So draw some permanent marker. If you guys are moms, you know this happens to our floors and our walls. So it's nice to have a solution to get it out. So when you first get your cleaning paste, it's kind of like a chalky substance. You take your wet EnviroCloth and it turns into a paste on your EnviroCloth here. So here's the paste. And then you take your hardwood floor and you just wipe it right off. I got it all. And voila! And then you take your the other side of your EnviroCloth and just take that residue of the cleaning paste off of it, and bam! That permanent marker is completely gone, and it is like brand new all over again. This stuff is magic. First time I used it, I fell absolutely in love. And then if I use it on like my stovetop or something, I'll take a window cloth to make it streak-free and shiny. So if this is not a testimony to the cleaning paste, I don't know what is. The cleaning paste is included in the Safe Haven 5. So if you purchase the Safe Haven 5, you get the EnviroCloth, the window cloth, the dusting mitt, which if you haven't watched that demo video, make sure you check that out. The cleaning paste and the laundry detergent. That's like everything you need to clean your entire home. So if you don't know where to start, Safe Haven 5 is the perfect way to start. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. Thank you for watching.